And this is Biscayne Supercars reporting live from H. Greg Lux in Pompano, Florida, at one of the best exotic car showrooms you'll probably see. We have a Yaris back here, Cullinans, Rolls Royces, custom G-Wagons. It's a lot of stuff going on. They have a beautiful showroom. So let's go ahead and take a look around at some of these beautiful cars. GT. We have the Mercedes-Benz SLS over here. We have a Lamborghini Huracan, the white interior. We have a Ferrari SF90. Everybody loves the SF90. You see the red interior looking gorgeous. Lamborghini Huracan STO. Let's get another good look at this beautiful Huracan. We have another Ferrari SF90 Spider, red with the matching black and red interior. We have the Porsche 911 Sport Classic. I know you see the plaid interior. The crazy details. It's a beautiful color. The gray with the light gray race stripes. We have another Huracan STO. Lamborghini Huracan STO, yellow. You see the yellow interior accents. I like the yellow and blue. The blue accents are pretty too on the lips. The blue calipers on the brakes. No, those cars are not touching. The Aventador is not touching the Huracan STO, but that's how close some of you are to reaching your dream. You just gotta keep going. You're that close. Now here we have an Aventador Lamborghini. This looks like a matte. I don't know if the camera's capturing it. It's like a matte army green grayish color. Look at the showroom. And let's continue on. And let's go ahead and take a look at some other things. They have another section. Let's go ahead and take a look in here. Now we have some real beauties in here. Man, it's some fine automobiles in this room. So let's go ahead and take a look around and see what we got. Perfect. This is my man Boris from H. Greg. Yeah, definitely. All right. It's my man Boris from H. Greg Lux, showing me around. Very hospitable. Now here we have the G-Wagon, but not just any G-Wagon. It's customized by the German company Cavani. You see the extra details. The emblem, Cavani out of Germany. The carbon fiber hood. Carbon fiber accents. The interior is amazing. The customization is incredible on this. Let's take a look at a couple Rolls Royces. Got the Spirit of Ecstasy. That Bentley Continental. Another big boy Bentley Continental GT. The cars that they have here are wild, bro. You have a McLaren 765 LT. Got another McLaren 720S. And we have the Maybach, however you guys want to pronounce it. It's beautiful. With the two-tone, the black and white two-tone. And over here you see we have a Rolls Royce Ghost with the translucent Spirit of Ecstasy emblem. Corner in the cut, just chilling. We have a Brabus G-Wagon. See the carbon fiber detailing. The Brabus emblem. I have some great looking cars over here. Here you see the Ferrari F12. And here we have a Ferrari Roma in all white, looking amazing. Ferrari F8 Spider, the blue interior, looking gorgeous. The showroom is great, bro. Ferrari 488 Spider. I love the Ferrari 488. I really like the 488 Pista. Porsche GT3 RS. Incredible. You guys know I love Porsches. You know I love GT3s. You know I love carbon fiber, and you know I love big wings and big spoilers, big carbon fiber on the big boy GT3 RS by Porsche. It's a beautiful car. We have a Urus, Lamborghini Urus. Here we have a Cullinan, which is also customized by Cavani. This is beautiful. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but we have a carbon fiber hood, a midnight blue, oh man, midnight blue exterior. The interior is just overly elegant. And over here, just like we had in the main showroom, we have a Porsche 911 Classic Sport. Looks like it's the same specs, the gray with the light gray racing stripe. Here we have another Porsche 911 Turbo S hiding in the corner. And here we have a 911 Speedster. Beautiful red. The red piping on the black interior. Yeah, I really like this GT3 RS. I like the lime green and the with the black. It really makes it pop. There's a lot going on over here. Let's take a look at all these Porsches. You guys know I love these Porsches. Just 911 on top of 911 on top of 911. Got another beautiful GT3 in yellow. The carbon fiber top. Yeah, they have a lovely selection over here. Again, this is H. Greg Lux in Pompano, Florida. As for Boris and also Bianca, they were very helpful. Let's take a look at this beautiful Porsche over here in the corner. I really like this this spec. 2023 Porsche 911, blue with the red rally stripe. Oh my goodness, the burgundy interior. Oh, this is beautiful. The Nissan GTR in the corner. This car is parked and it looks fast. The car is parked right now and it looks like it's zooming by. The Nismo Nissan GTR looking incredible. We have a slingshot over here. Slingshot's always fun. Here we have the Benz GT. Amazing. And we have a McLaren over here, McLaren GT. Aqua blue is beautiful on this car, the all black interior. And here we have the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider. And here we have the Aston Martin Vantage. It's a beautiful car. The interior is very detailed. White with a red piping, black accents. It's not even a white, it's like a cream color. And here we have a Ferrari 599 GTB. We have another McLaren 720S. Beautiful. Followed by Lamborghini Huracan, all black. We have a Lamborghini Urus, a red Lamborghini Huracan, black interior, again beautiful. Lamborghini Huracan Evo. And what do we have here? Another Ferrari F8 Spider, red interior. You want the Ferrari F8 Spider in white with the ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard interior? Or do you want it a little bit more business-like with the navy blue with the white piping interior? Your choice. Here we have the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ in baby blue. The black rims with the light blue brake calipers are beautiful. And behind that, we have a red Lamborghini Aventador SV. Also, all these cars are beautiful, but also beautiful. The Strauss wheels, shout out to Strauss. Carbon fiber. Red rims. The black interior with the red accents and the red piping.